Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a leave letter by student. What is a leave letter by student? A leave letter is a type of formal letter which is written by student to take permission for absence from school. It is a formal way of seeking permission for a break or leave from your school because of various reasons. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a leave letter by student step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. In this case is December 20th, 2023. And then, write the principal name. In this case is Leonardo DiCaprio. Under the name, write the position or title as well as the name of the school. And write the address of the school. Don't forget to mention the city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the letter with Dear Sir or Madam or Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the last name of the principal. In the body of the letter, write directly why you are writing this letter. You can tell brief about your health condition. In this case, the sender has fever. And you need to make it clear that you cannot attend the school today. Besides that, it is highly recommend to mention what doctor said about your condition. They may ask you to take bed rest. Here, you need to mention it. Since you are student, not teacher who work, it is okay if you don't attach your medical report. And write how many days you will be absent according to what doctor said. If it is more than one day, write what date you will be back to school. And don't forget to close it with thank you. Now, write sincerely in the end of the letter. Put your signature and your full name. And mention also what class you are at, and write the student number as well. So, that's how you write a leave letter by student. I hope this video helpful for you. Get well soon.